Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. My name is Ishan Kesavani and today I am here just to announce that we are launching a new series. The series will be based on the Java programming language, so we will try to cover as many programs as we can, and surely this series will help you a lot in the examinations as well as in the interview. So I'm not going to show any code today, and but you can expect it in the few upcoming days, and you will see a lot of programs on our channel. And I will be using the NetBeans IDE for the coding, but you can use any of the IDE such as Eclipse or IntelliJ, and you can also use the command line to execute your programs. But in my videos, I will be using NetBeans IDE. So stay tuned for the further updates. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to our channel.